Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to Mathedu. Okay, today we study about multiplication, and now I want to teach you how to multiply a three-digit numbers by a two-digit numbers. Okay, before we start to do this, I want to review. Okay, and before we start to do this exercise, we need to remember the multiplication. And multiplication we need to do from right to left. Okay, let's start. Okay, now we have 310 times 28, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, 8 times 0 equals 0, right? Okay, then 8 times 1 equals 8, and next 8 times 3 equals 24, right? Okay, 24. And then we can take 310 times 2, right? Okay, 2 times 0 equals 0. Then 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, right? Okay, and then we can add them together. Okay, 0, we can take it down. Okay, 0. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 4 plus 2, which is 6. And 2 plus 6 equals 8, right? So, okay, 310 times 28 equals 8,680, right? Okay. And last one. Okay. We have 423 times 19, right? Okay. So how many steps are there? Okay. And we know that in one we have 3 steps, right? And the first step we just take 423 times 9, and second step we just take 423 times 1. And third step, we just add them together, right? Okay, let's start. Okay, 9 times 3 equals 27, right? And we just write 7 and we carry the 2. Then, okay, 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20, right? Okay, we write 0 and we carry the 2, right? Next, okay, 9 times 4 equals 36. 36 plus 2 equals 38, right? Okay, then we can take 423 times 1. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 1 times 3 equals 3, right? And 1 times 2 equals 2. And last one, 1 times 4 equals 4, right? Okay, and then we can add them together. Okay, and we can take it down, number 7, right? Okay, then 0 plus 3 equals 3. 8 plus 2 equals 10, we write 10 and we carry the 1, right? Okay, and last one, 1 plus 4 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? Okay, so we have 423 times 19 equals 8,037. Okay, and okay, today I have only 2 exercise to teach you. Okay, now now I would like to say thank you. Okay, and now that's all for today. Okay, and thank you so much for your watching my video, and I want to say goodbye. Okay, goodbye everyone. Okay.